Yes, remember the tree house?
Yeah, I love the tree house. I always wanted to go. And the cushions were so comfortable. Didn't the guy who